How to change video to TikTok size on CapCut PC. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open CapCut on your PC. Then at the left side, click on Create New. After that, in here on the left side, simply you'll find Upload. Click on Upload on the left side. Click on Upload File or select anywhere your video is. Then click on the video or photo and press on Open. Now it will be uploaded in your CapCut at the bottom on the left side. Now click on the video to add it to your timeline. After it's added to your timeline on the left side, you'll find Ratio. Click on Ratio on the left side. Now you'll find 9:16, which is TikTok. Click on it, and as you can see, you're good to go. You can resize it, and after that, press on Export at the top and export your video. This is how to change video to TikTok size on CapCut PC. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe. For more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. Thank you for watching.